Ever dreamed of transforming your passion for fashion into a thriving online business? Today, we're unveiling the ultimate roadmap to launching and scaling your very own successful Shopify clothing store, from concept to customer. First, pinpoint your niche. Are you focusing on sustainable fashion, vintage wear, or perhaps streetwear? Understanding your target audience will define your product selection and branding strategy. Next, secure your suppliers, research reliable manufacturers, or consider dropshipping for a low inventory approach. Evaluate quality, pricing, and shipping times to ensure seamless operations. Now, let's build your captivating storefront. Shopify's intuitive platform allows you to design a visually stunning and user-friendly experience without any coding knowledge. High-quality product photography is non-negotiable. Invest in good lighting and clear visuals to showcase your apparel at its best. Detailed descriptions outlining fabric, fit, and styling tips are crucial for conversions. Finally, it's time to market your brand. Leverage social media with engaging content, run targeted ad campaigns, and explore influencer collaborations to reach a wider audience and drive sales. By meticulously following these steps, you're not just opening a store, you're building a sustainable fashion empire.